Now let us start mole concept. Here 1 mole equals to 6 into 10 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles, or that you can say atoms or molecules, and it is equal to volume, that is 22.4 liters at NTP. You can say molar volume. So here 1 mole is having the formulas I am giving in 3 different ways. This is the one pattern. You can follow this. Another pattern is in the next screen. It is like this. Mass in grams, number of moles and number of molecules. 3 different separation I have given to you. Here, number of moles, if they are multiplied by the molecular mass, then you will get mass in grams. If mass and grams are divided, vice versa you will get. Similarly, if mass in grams and number of molecules you are given in the numerical, then you can divide or multiply, vice versa for that. And if in the numerical number of moles and molecules are given, then you can do that. Similarly, this pattern also I have sent. This is for in both the cases, when molecule question is given and one atom numerical is given to you. If molecule numerical is given, then you have to calculate the molecular mass, whereas for atomic atoms you have to calculate the atomic mass, but the pattern is similar in both the cases. If you have to convert number of moles atoms into the atoms, then you have to multiply by Avogadro's number. So everything is given to you in the clear form. Now look over this numerical. Mass of one sodium atom is 23 U. You can write it as 23 gram. So now you can write it as, hence 1 mole of sodium atoms is equal to 23 grams. Means 1 molar mass is equal to gram atomic mass. Similarly, water molecule is there. So molecular mass you have to calculate, that is 18 gram, and it is equal to 1 mole. Clear? So now I am sending some numericals. First of all, one pattern of unitary method. Look over this pattern. For example, 3 packets is having 1500 papers. So 12 packets will have how much? So crisscross pattern you are doing. This is called unitary method pattern. You can follow that thing in these kind of numericals instead of applying formulas also. This is the another pattern to do the numericals. You can, I'm giving one more pattern on this part, that is pens. If pens are given to you, it is coming on the next screen. तो आप ये यूनिटरी मेथड बहुत अच्छे से अप्लाई कर सकते हो. 20 पेन्स इज हैविंग दिस मच कॉस्ट, तो 5 पेन्स विल हैव हाउ मच. मतलब पेन्स के नीचे पेन्स आपने लिखा, रुपीज के नीचे रुपीज लिखा, सेम पैटर्न में लिखा और क्रिस क्रॉस किया, तो आप यू हैव टू कंसिडर द सेम पैटर्न इन योर मोल कंसेप्ट फॉर्मुलेज. मोल्स के नीचे मोल्स, एटम्स के नीचे एटम्स. दिस इज हाउ यू विल एबल टू सॉल्व योर न्यूमेरिकल्स इन द वेरी वेरी इजियर फॉर्म. नो डाउट आई हैव गिवन यू फॉर्मुलेज इन द स्टार्टिंग, बट it depends upon you. Wherever you are comfortable, you can follow that. Now look over this numerical. Here the numerical, again I have written, just look over the highlighter at the below. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules or ions, which is equal to the molecular mass or atomic mass. If you will learn this whole line thoroughly, instead of learning any formulas, you can make your mole concept numerical solution very easy. Then only you can follow that pattern जो भी मैंने unitary method में दिखाया. Now look over this numerical. Calculate the mass of an atom of silver. You know that atomic mass of silver is 108. So 108 gram is equal to this much, 6.022 into 10 की power 23 atom. तो इसके नीचे 1 atom लिख दो. तो 1 atom में कितना? तो क्रिस क्रॉस करो तो you will get this formula. Answer. One more. So beta, basically you will have difficulty in solving the numerical. So please calculate it on your own without using calculators. Look over this numerical. Calculate number of molecules in 24 gram of water. 24 gram of water में कितने molecules हैं? तो X molecules, तो 18 gram molecular mass होता है. उसमें हमें पता है 6.022 into 10 की power 23 molecules होते हैं. तो आपने criss cross apply किया, and this is how you will get the answer. So ये pattern very easy है, but since you have already studied in 9th standard, so you can apply that formulas based numericals, or you can use the unitary methods. It's your wish. Similarly, one more numerical here, moles and atoms is given. So 0.6 mole में कितने ग्राम है? X ग्राम. So 1 mole में कितने होंगे? 23 gram. So this is how again crisscross. But please beta, I request you, don't use the calculators. Solve each and every numerical on your own. And these are the very simple patterns. 5 to 6 numericals I will send you separately to do in this easier form. A 0.6 mole है, X ग्राम है,